Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making quick and delicious air fryer steak bites. These juicy bites are seasoned with garlic and paprika, then cooked to perfection in just minutes. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 lb steak, cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Directions: preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, toss the steak bites with melted butter, garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper until evenly coated. Place the steak bites in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Cook for 7 to 9 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through until the steak bites are cooked to your desired doneness. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve immediately. Prep time: 5 minutes. Cook time: 10 minutes. Total time: 15 minutes. Calories: 300 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 2 to 3 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.